Let me show you how I made this collection of seamless patterns from one collection of elements here in Canva. All these patterns or images came from one single collection of elements here in Canva. I just went ahead and found these images, and then I went into the collection. Right here I click the three dots, go into info, and says collection. Here you could see the collection. It's in the search bar. You could go ahead and copy, and then you'll find this collection right there. It has a lot of images in this collection that you could mix and match, and this is what I did. I think it's about six patterns that I made, six seamless patterns that I made. And look at them, they're all cute. They're like a boho, groovy coffee theme. So I'm going to show you how I made these patterns now. I'm going to go ahead and open or get some of these images right here. I'm going to go ahead and start uh, with, let's go ahead, let's find this one, and we're going to have find matching images or elements that go with this same color theme right here. So we're going to start here with this image and with this corner. This image, we're going to go ahead and place it on all four corners. We'll make sure we have them centered. If you could see right here, we know we have this image centered when we find the purple line that that shows up right here. If you see the purple line on the edges, that means this image is centered. And we want it on all four corners right here. And then once we see those purple lines, it means it locked in right there. So let's go ahead and find more images that match. There we go. We're going to go ahead and use this one. Adjust the size right here. Just adjust it. Also, you want to twist it, turn it around. Just give it some dimension right here. And there we go. If you could see the purple line, that means it's a purple straight line, not the dotted line. So that means it's centered. We're going to go ahead and do this one right here. Also tilt it a little bit and then adjust the size. We're going to go ahead and this one's going to go on the top, and then the other half is going to come to the bottom right there. You see the purple lines. That means it locked in right here. Doesn't really lock in. That's just letting you know it's centered. And right here, and there it is. Then we find other elements that are going to be going around right here, like more smaller ones right here. And then we're going to go ahead and just twist it a little bit, turn it around right here, this one. And this is what you guys do. Just mix and match the elements. This collection has a lot of images, so you could make different seamless patterns. And there it is. We downloaded it. Let's go ahead and bring it in and let's see if it's seamless. We're going to go ahead and place it right here in the corner. Adjust the size. Then go ahead and duplicate it right here. And as you could see, it's matching perfectly fine. It's seamless. And right here. And here, if we want to make it our pattern smaller, then we just shrink it a little bit more, duplicate it, and there it is. You could use this for a variety of things. These print them as digital paper. And here's another one. Let's go ahead and do this last one. Play around, and then this is we're gonna go ahead and start. I think it's better if I start with the corners. This same one is going to go on all four corners. Just bring it down, just like that. And then just make sure it locks in with the purple lines right there, right here. If you have a hard time, just zoom out or zoom in, and then you'll be able to see them better. Right there, we have that little cup. We have this little cookie, macaroon. It looks like a macaroon. And then we'll just center it, align it right here. Then we're gonna find our top and bottom image right here, and also tilt it a little bit just so we could give it more of a fun look right here, and bring it down. And there, this is how you guys do the patterns. This is a new form I found how to do them. I think it's more funner, and it looks really nice. They look really nice. And then we're gonna go, I like this little flower, it's gonna go right here. So this is how I do my patterns. Another way you could do your patterns using Canva Elements collection set, and then just go ahead and download it right here. Make sure it's a PNG and it is transparent background. And you are able to use these elements if you have a paid version of Canva, and also you need a paid version to be able to download it with the transparent background. And then but if there's other forms that you could use, do transparent background, other programs. So if you don't have the paid version, there's other forms. So there's our collection, you guys. So this is all I made with one single collection of Canva element set. Thank you guys for watching. And if you don't mind, go ahead and please leave a like, follow, leave a comment, and we'll see you in our next video.